196064 0260 196064 0260 196065 0260 196065. We need lines are activate your lines for the conversation to flow. We need lines are ubebomoding now, so what phrases so now in common there. And we live on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Remember, the show proudly is brought to you by the support of Midimafo Herbal Center. Midimafo Herbal Center. Yaria adokruache, wakwache, and so still yareno ho. Ewo ha. Me pacho. Se ubomoding now do hu eye Midimafo Herbal Center. Dr. Time Daswa. Dear Benya Wayarsa. Now, Obi Bisase, he found a Dr. Time that so, Breno so a metro bibia, Uka, Ubehu, Nakai says Sompa 106.5 FM, Yenny Yards toothpaste, and a yard toothbrush, a carbon, Yedi OB Bass, the first edition, Yedi Bremo, Ewa Hing, Ewa Sompa Market Higher, Da Bengea, Friday 27th of September 2025. Yes, any year this age medie, Bro live here, Ewa Sompa Edrum, and you know, say, Domi Market. Domi market and table for with a mestre and yes some pahani yabayano domi a market and today dready for more hunino munkai says adano ye obi bassano a hot and near the bremo munkai dano 27th of September 2025 and near the obi bassano a bremo a domi market and when so say your programs nano a dear you running programs from morning to evening Nyama yen by way of conversation or conversing with you out there no ebusuani nyina no ayade amobehu na gafili gaduchi na muhu ekwan ayefa so a presentation tontina 74 where ye dudu a ebrebi atwem wo ye nananom enom wo na asese o afa befu kwan so a wo basiesie no wo mo de gutu afefe mu dudu no kra na onoma den na ye wo me pacho person te hu komo pa dia bomoding T74 and so mekoso no maka ho asam e de akere obehu se obi twa ne T74 oba na waseda na odegu air flax mo mpese obi abehu se T74 na wonom no ono we producer first na mo tie on bright entry kai omomienu omutena se a T74 omo bonus na Electroland Ghana Limited de busia for baby obi a otem nka biara na sakai say omsom boy chidom kese pa any electronics of any kind you want to buy remember say Electroland Ghana Limited na hona kwa me bacho ubenya products be all electronic products, say TV, say fridge, say washing machine, say kettle, say rice cookers, any of the electronics. Remember a dino Electroland Ghana Limited. And the reason why I was so cohorted, I say because Omuniamano Omo artitete so say hoopa. Now yeah baba moding na yeah and somewhere that yeah back can wasam. The kind of declare the state of emergency without hesitation. Bishops' Conference to Mahama. I was for the Catholic Bishops' Conference. Sabre, one more day, Kokobo, Ediakwakoma, Aye, man, Penya, what is this here? His Excellency John Dramani Mama say, state of emergency, the dear. I was say, what declare is here any menu because illegal mining, Galamsey, a idea, say or mine Ghana. A Maya Yadia, a say Niane, a kum yang. Yes, you are young. Is any na brown? Say Ghana Water Company cry. On some crown idea, almost some more complain. He say, is you a bawa? I was almost sonny so. A draw also with the gumuno, a carbon qua. And you know, we know the Bishops' Conference, Catholic Bishops' Conference. Kokoba, Mudia Kokoma, your man Pinin said immediately by force. Yang, the declared state of emergency. We'll be getting deeper into this story. Now, say during the previous administration, who say the Catholic Bishop Conference, out Kasafa, Galamsey, Huana, we know, near room, na baby anokre no wono na yede ato. And there's another story here. Cost of winning Ghana's president now. Hey, cost of winning Ghana's presidency now. We see the phone e dia ba to go. You say who pese who di president e wo Ghana ha pa dia. Aya the Center for Democratic Development. Nkomo awamu dia to dwane na say e was so credit me crazy ka be $200 million. Hey, $200 million. The $200 million. Eskakuma.
Prof, nyesika ketwa na yebo so no.
Debut. Ansa na ubetimi a win election.
Aye.
In the on presidency e Ghana. Just said ukra $200 million. Oh, is that a joke?
$200 million.
Are we joking as a nation?
And
to the $200 million now, you say parties need use when they win the elections. You know, where do they get this money from?
And when they ask them, no. That is the question.
You know, there was a time somebody was telling me that before you become a president in Ghana, president Ghana. Now there was all you didn't say. A month for any baby to bois. Now what would you bow? Now some confounded is to bois, yeah. What you have take action there become mashara.
Baby, and I'm all pardon my boa. What about him? No,
but this is serious.
In fact,
very, very, very serious.
Probably become. You
let me get to the story once again.
Yeah.
The Ghana Center for Democratic Development has disclosed that the cost of winning a presidential election in Ghana has risen to about $200 million, sparking concerns about the sustainability and inclusiveness of the country's democratic process. Wow. Speaking at an open event in Accra, remember, the executive director of CDD Ghana, Professor H. Kwesi Prempe, cautioned the growing financial burden on elections risk shutting out capable leaders who do not have access to vast resources. Wow. 200 million. Big brother, say 2 million. 200 million.
Dollars.
200 million.
Dollars.
Almost about 200. But you convert pay.
I know pay no can see you.
Hey, now Ghana, it's about votes, Cassie.
We call one person.
There be way you say so win. I was out to be cross way.
That's right.
$200 million. So who needs us who campaign in Koye? Ubi be Koye. Hey, now assemble Greg.
$200 million.
200 million. Some person winning elections for Ghana. $200 million US dollars.
And Granaye Fino. Go for your baby now. $200 million.
Charlie. I'm going to do baby.
I do a new crime. $200 million.
But a bit more. Media essence minimum 50 kind of great. Over to say, Honorable Martin J. Mensakosa. Over the weekend, me who MPA. Me ba to TV on screen also. Me who MPA. He on original screen also. All prapra got him.
We cleaning.
Me catch now. Honorable Martin J. Mensakosa. Sa branch de settlement for your mistake ni ye hwere noa. One day ye de ensabebo ye ensayem. Ye de ensabebo ye yefu. Ya yas ye de ensabebo ho pa. Me say a branch no. Ni leadership style, ni organization, ni BBI, or you're very friendly, or you're sociable. Honorable Martin J. Mensakosa, former minister, local government ministry.
I've had an opportunity to work with him before. Oh, yeah. Only me pa.
J. Mensakosa, honorable.
Me feed that them Me na ye adwuma.
Wow.
Kakra to ni me pa.
Oh, you're very kind-hearted man.
Usia na. Send your be from kra no. It's
Abrante, me say maybe me reading the profile at the chirawa. Hey, you know, every kufa penso. Abrante di MPP chisa na aya sometimes no MPP do baby ana me tell ma say. Abrante we pa nanka vice presidential position bi pa nanka international.
Onompo ni enhwe no.
Onompo ni enhwe no. At party go opposition gram intimi yanka.
Orugade enhwe no.
Debusia for that dey kobodo dos ye pekum. Na ba min kai mo say. And then for the first time, Mianka Saminia, the third national vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party, a respected friend, a respected brother, all the way from Brong-Ahafo region, now Bono East region, where we come from. And again, Sir Oba within the media space, it's been very vibrant for the New Patriotic Party. Me, Metimia Kandipu say, Sir, enye womumu bi ena ewo MPP mu a aka nkabo mu a ye kan nkabo mu no, it would have been very, very difficult. And as I speak with you now, say aka alaji ho asemo a alaji die openipa opesere na ebufuo kakra na ba de a otime eje ne ho.
Oh, prof, nipa
okay. Say ebufuo kakra ba Onwa timi control nebufu no. Onye basa. But say ebufu no ba na traso de a.
Obechiro bi.
And they obechiro.
Bechiro bi.
Because we ya de a enya.
So chiro za de na wa ye ne nye.
Enye. Obetian. Now say akoda ya de kra ne antia na won say.
Akra no otia.
Na so ye den.
Can be use word be bad.
Ba ka ba ti be use. Obeti be use.
Otia o de ye fa de
otia. Anti Alhaji Masoud, the third national vice chairman, New Patriotic Party. He's our guest today. Alhaji Ari. Yo, kazo jida.
Yo, na zo jida.
Hey, tunda zu na kolga.
Yo, inshallah, na zo jida.
Mungure alani. Ya techiman.
Very well, good. Kuwa na lafia ko. Yeah. Hey, chairman. Why are you want to be count?
Wallahi ni na for the House and Kano ne o. Chairman very baka. Wallahi ni na for the House and Kano ne. Ba House and Kano ba yi. Wallahi ni na yi kokari. Ana because na kwekro ti House. E na say techiman na biti House. Zongo ana na meti. Zongo ana meti.
Techiman zongo boy.
Ya o ya techiman zongo boy. Nti dia koso techiman biaro. Be jira. Na what to say?
Oh, nyame ase. Who ye papa.
Now, when was the last time I could feed Techiman?
Oh, last week na me wo Techiman.
Last week now Techiman.
Last week.
SOMPA
Techiman.
Uta ko Techiman pa. The hobo ko there.
Baby omo nature there. Ontimi yere fi wo Techiman. Because they di kind of maminchi atie for.
Sure.
SOMPA atie for. Na machia ya party mpanyinfo. Starting from polling station executives, electoral area coordinators, constituency executive, regional executive, and national executives. Na masachi me by na who come from MP papa.
Oh yes. Jeben Sakosa there.
From the time obe ye director of election. Research and election for the New Patriotic Party.
Say the man winning elections.
No, Honda me who say yes, strategy guy on in politics. And yet politics, the way politics is, and yet you being a politician, politics is about winning election.
Sure.
So if you are a politician and you don't have the zeal of winning election,
then forget it.
I won't say now.
Nkoyi.
The guy is a politician and have the zeal of winning election. I say you would do a national election or to me now. Why wouldn't Techiman South?
Oh, so Techiman
you know how Techiman South is hard.
So Techiman there.
The 2 time what to me winning, you know. And which I say, oh no, the only MPP. Obe to me winning MPP. What to me winning Techiman South 2 times.
Yeah, no pray.
Since 1992.
It's on record.
And we're very calm. But Uhunu Sano, I just mess of course we're very calm, but they say slow, but sure.
Oh, sir.
Now me catch us say NDC for 2024 election. Omuya ma win to some extent one person ma attacking we din now no there no crony resource. Also a very intelligent guy.
Very
intelligent guy.
And
only politics so crony resource. Scam or we mama scamming resource no nyina the scam pin sheet no nyina no kuda the resource cap. I'm NDC for you big ya win on the no kuta no way. Ye pay court omuhwe ya nde onete ho no ye MP no. So this guy and ye politician kwa we a politician you have to have the zeal of winning election because we a politician don't want to me winning election we be than CPP ana we
ala you say
me see we a politician now
won't mean anything.
Now to me, Obedani.
Safo, cap. Me patro, me say, Alaji Usideng. Me say, we are politician.
We are politician. Now you don't have the zeal of winning election. At the end, no Obedani CPP ne PNC ne LGP.
And some of them zeal.
No. Zeal no. You see, it takes experience and it takes hard work and it takes the love of the people now to be winning election. So, and it takes your seriousness. We share political party. Some of the political parties, they are not serious. CPP me catch on CPP or CPP. So look, Obe say CPP for yi mpanyim for instead of them to work for the goal of CPP, no, they should work for CPP. No, Obe say no way atane na support na binimu no support NDC. No way, no support MPP. No more priority, no. So these people, they are not serious. How can you win election with this?
Is that what they do?
That is it. I wouldn't. We are politicians.
You wouldn't have got me.
Yeah, me see. As a senior journalist,
yes.
Wouldn't. Wow. You. CPP for better man ko yi omo panyin for. Say, panyin for we na yi. Instead of moba the ideologies of CPP no obe huna oko gina radio station no wo kasama NDC obi no kasama MPP this political party no some of their leaders they are not serious so a good platform me na me catch CPP for instance if they are electing their leadership they should elect someone who will have the ideologies of the CPP and couldn't go and work either for the NDC or for the MPP. They should work for the party.
And today, I can defer a CPP for any party in Kumano.
They are not serious.
Omuye Nkrofo. Omuye Jumama party. Amanyoku akese
you don't have the zeal because who buy as a senior officer and a national officer for CPP we know. Who mind? Emma say no, me mean to me win. You see, so in sort of woman no say we no. Onye ajiba bi ubeye say party no konanim wodi a say mamimboa sitting government no ana opposition party no e be sitting government no MPP no obema me bibi alaji opposition obapa obema me appointment
alaji say o say ekom ho pa
but integrity no e ka ho ekom go ho integrity your integrity should be at stake you see anyam come say I gina ho say opposition opposition obianim say opposition enkoye sir but MPP because of their seriousness ayantimi ma mentimi ntina ha na min kasama NDC obe hu MPP ni wo kasama NDC there which means onya MPP ni papa
alaji ya better say Techiman Boko da wa boy nkomo every ho say honorable Martin Ejimenta Kosa yeah MP for Techiman South or Bono Modern Yepa. But the Mayenche Yan Comodi Nase. Ube Pese, Ube Saba, Amayatua Bama as a national officer. Our MPP Mobile.
The other time, I mean, from a platform we now clear air. To me, who right to be no post to be no much say Alaji Masaudu for national chairman. Sadi no propaganda binomu edu to airmo. I never said anywhere that I want to contest to become a national chairman. Time no duru nanya me say one day I will become a national chairman. That one it is in the hand of God. But currently, position me call a national first vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party. Me the current national third vice chairman, praying that the next election no you be call it be 2027 no it be delegate for the omutu abama me na me be third vice no omuhwe me modimbo na me zeal and ajima omuma me no mu say ma ye ne pepepe the way omupe ombetima ayedan apush me to first vice ombetimi adimi ba second vice so omusi third vice no ya na omedimi be tum I have no problem.
You don't have a problem.
I don't have problem, but I should be in the national
of executives. But Obi Baby say you person maintaining Alhaji Masawood the chairmanship position no more. Dem pa na yenhwe so. Party for omo dem pa na omo hwe so na omo fa maintain into the national executive position.
Oh, sir, ope say o maintain national Alhaji Masawood. First thing we be share. Say the commitment to the party. If you look at commitment to the party, party no sum party no ne me kuma ene me bibia no o hwe I say who say yes Alhaji Masawood party no won kuma obia party ni no kuma no odi no eko udi no si say obeye leader obetima chia o chia so na di asemba me Alhaji Masawood me kono me mbompa say saba be me ngindi say bibi wo ho abeye me party no amama bufu abepie say my jai party no enye ye da me
say ubefu say
let say my jai
party no because party dey there enu na odi
enu party
na say
party no ye me
enu na wo dey da
enu na me dey da enu na me dey
enu na odi ye obibia until with our MPP dey won't maintain
nya obia with that MPP when me
na me say that level of commitment the GDA no ehina onya say GDA no free
sa GDA no do we me yen sa GDA no me be wura party no onim say yenu forum say oh MPP there ukodom MPP onya den but me amu baby a party no pajame no the way party no making me as somebody no I will not be ungrateful to the party.
Alhaji Masawood would never be
ungrateful to the party.
Undani wechi
me my party no da
undani wechi ma MPP amanyoko da
MPP no undani ni chi mame
na ekodu brebina party ni dani ombechi mawa wo so be den
party no party as a whole no entimin dani na chi emma
but what if it happens?
Look, let me catch one thing. One in party as a whole no a institution the institution no cannot go against you. You are rider. Either you will go against the institution or those managing the institution will go against you.
Okay, what if say one more manage a New Patriotic Party? I come against you.
Party no. Me as a Masawood no, as a national chairman no, vice chairman no, party no na elected me. Na position me kuta no. Me ni japadie biya wo wiasuwe eduru me national vice chairmanship no. Me kutano. So as institution no ye wo hono no if the institution didn't fight me and those managing the institution no per se omo fight me no I'll voice out so that people will see my grievances. People will know that I'm not fighting with the institution but rather fighting with those who are managing the institution.
But leaders need to fight you that right from grassroots up to where you have gotten to now.
Me sorry party no your internal fight.
Sure.
And you cannot escape it. As a politician, we have internal fight. You cannot escape it.
I don't kind of fight. We have internal disagreement. Because
only very good. You can't run away from that one. But say the managing institution almost fight you there. Me man who sa fight that. But the bibi wo ebi ombetma yell. Now he say the omu yell no it's not right. wo na wo hwɛ sɛ wo right no ana opposition no wo gyina hɔnom no esumbo esum sɛ obi bɛyɛ obibi na wa yɛ din saa ɛsɛ wo voice out na nipa no nim sɛ
deɛ ɔyɛ no ɔhwɛ
ne yie mo nyinaa mo yɛ colleagues it's not of bringing the name of the party down or wo bɛsɛ wo gufi no
ba say esi wo amanyeko no ma ekwan bɛn na so na mofa musa ekabom biem because ɛhɔ na de sɛ mo anhwe yi a ɛde ntintimu ɛba no
wɔn sɛ nipa unu wo yiri kura mo da sɔr kura ntakɔtemesi
sure
sɛ asɛm bi ba na ebi montam no di tawata ba montam no ye wo bibi ye party ye MPP for ye National Council of Elders no we have given absolute respect to them. We are one kura. The National Council of Elders no frail. No, mo say asamasi 1, 2, 3 jai. Esa wo jai. Esa hun say mo nyina mo okuo baako. Na wa tie dia panyimfo no ka no. Na wa ye din. Oh, sa bibi ha okura. Ombeka cha the channel ube ko addressi
baby akwan obefa so a obetimi di akwakọ address issue
me mpesa me repeat dia na esi me nua montem ye ko akotia
no ho de ye beba ho but the wo kan no I believe say it's in order say mu nyina mutifie na panyimu bi enifie ho a efie no agija and within the new patriotic party no panyimfo a ewo mu sisia no the Council of Elders National Council of Elders a bibia sia yetimi omutimi frew ekasa kirew but there was an instance this one etwemu de ba no person me de ba abronye DC Bunu regional chairman no oye niema bi ewo social media so amanfo complaining ye bomoding to suffer the Bunu regional chairman Council of Elders yene ne kasai omso mo chiro letters the bra National Council of Elders omanya moa bia but we also understand say the na abronya ye no mumu leadership no na mo ho the National Council of Elders friendly two no fukra no ebi mkura kire say wanko efutu edima na kra no so wanye enti say obi saati ewo new patriotic party mo nhihye bi asa nipa no mo de ne fa so
mami clear air asam we wuka no
okay
ye na tina say na efre aburinya
eno ye mo hwan
ye as a neck na tina
National Executive Committee
mami ka cho say won say party no na ehwe say nkonfo bebre eye nema ebi one or the other no na enye papa ma party no
okay
ofra aburinya o mbeka say ebi wuntimi aye bida ebi Alhaji Masaudu aye bida Bute aye bida ebi Razaka aye bida ebi Kennedy aye bida we aye bida so ye hwe ye no say pese ye frɛ nipa more than 200 obia wo evidence say asamasi dia mimi kanu asamasi su na wo so wa kabida
ono so aye bibi o bibi da
so ye committee no na ehwe say for now no ye be ma obia amnesty ye be for obia boni channel ye no ye be for obia boni channel for now so that we are born again. We made you people born again, but from today, if any one of you has committed such crime, no, the laws and the constitution of the party will deal with he or she.
Not crime is crime, no crime bear.
No, say anu binomu bebre obia flotom baka say regional chairman ma mu nya campaign no mu ye the ma mu kase ma mu support candidate ma mu kase na nkrofo obia wo dia wo kan even me binomu say ba we call thank you to no me as a national vice chairman ka say me ko ka say Baumia will be the next president. Na asem bebre wo ho ombetimi ayeden e kwashino Alhaji wusuwa ko radio station akasa so saa ni nyina na ehwe say
mo nyina mo tena ase
nyina tena ase say now
Suddenly
NCZ na rebuild. So that
but some is na bronya ka ho.
So na fa obia boni chenu by that time no. Me no ka no last Friday the National Council of Elders. This time party na ehu.
We are sure.
Me see with the agro. Me see MPP this time no omo ye wild them less mistake with the agro. Massa, the law will deal with you severely. MPP.
Since when?
Look, this time me see. So nipa nim say MPP ada. Sisi ya sorry. Me see the Council of Elders.
Nipa nim say MPP. Moi da. Say moi sorry. Ya sorry. Baruji tu say na moi da di.
Dabi to say. The Mikano, to say from four move within the party no e kasa dia way o mo pe. No bia dia pe no nim say wo kasa. Obi antimi ye wo no. Now nim say party na da awo no law so na no constitution no. Masa obi ka man da ho. This time around party no e very well. Very, very serious. So
I say this time around, party near very, very serious. Let's just say, baby, serious.
No, yes, serious. No, say, what say, every situation with the way you deal with it. This is the situation. You per se, you flag bearer.
Sure.
You be koko, election 2028. Election the 2028 year kono, and your election, MPP be ko lose election no. 2028. You be winning hands down.
Hey, how do you know?
Look, let me say. No, MPP.
You better start conversation. But see,
so election. This is the time. You be ye candidate. Na candidate na call. Election dia you grow. Na lose sa election na be take care by 12 years. And sa na be sa ba.
Really?
Na say Ghana ye dey grow na lose 2028 election. Na NDC be for new candidate aba. That new candidate no oko 4 years Ghana omo tradition bi omo say 4 years no is not enough for them. They will add in 4 years. So now if we sit for 4 years in opposition, go to 2028 4 years, 2032 4 years, 36. Wow, a very long time. So
maybe so can we quote Alhaji Masawood as saying that say MPP elusu year 2028 elections now. We bet MPP amanyoko we bet na opposition for 12 years.
Me catch you say per Ghana for omo mentality. Say obiaba omo money 8 years no. Say ye dey agro na elusu 2028. Na new candidate of the NDC beba no. And Ebeka say yamanu ejiden 8 years.
8 years.
Na me catch you say the Ajima NDC 4 year way. Now within their 9 months way you know. So me no. Na me kasi say this time around the Council of Elders chairman no. One say Hakmo Usu Ajima. A very straight man, very respected man and on authority.
Oh, Basa no hold it down.
Yeah. Me see. Look, me see. This is the election. Yes, ye presidential candidate. So you make sure say Council of Elders chairman at free candidates na eno omu kasaye. You say any candidate so we will never be who free say we be catch delegate no mu to abama ko catch romo me be say no mu to abama, but attacking each other no. The party would not tolerate any candidate who attack his fellow candidate. But because at the end, you know, all of you will be having one goal.
One goal. That is winning 2028.
Winning 2028 election. So if it is Ken, all those who are Baumia, they will have to rally behind Ken. If it is Baumia, they'll all have to rally behind Baumia.
But Alhaji, you and I will know, say, among the candidates in Ankasano, they don't have problems. So. But Echita for how are you going to handle them?
This time around, National Council of Elders, upper on tomorrow committee, be say 5-member committee or 6-member committee, say monitor the movement of the saying of the presidential candidates.
Sure.
Omukasa omu movement ade omu ye omu chidafo de omu kanu nyina so ye hun say obi kasa ebi aburinye obi anim say okasama Bawumia
yeah.
Na ehun say aboa papon onu su kasa okasama Kennedy. Na two of these personalities no na omo ka asem bi emfa unity ba ebe fata watawa ba Ken ni Bawumia who call them to order if it is even to the extent say you suspending nipa you be suspend.
Suspension, they some suspend you more, and they say they are still members of the party, but they are on suspension. I think
you the way you better stop on one say you be in the institution no. What to be have many room as a better destroy. I bet so we on suspension we must suspend what's anyway to be asa wo beka bia obi anu wo be fane
na everyone say wo suspend me Abotchie everyone say me a director of communications for the New Patriotic Party na me din samfo na ma suspend me na still no bia me ta Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na me da so abonten e wo Bawumia echi fire trojan guma
that credibility has been put into question so obi anim say hatred na odi ka no ka say party no suspending Crawford but you do winning election. So, Massa, this time around, yes, party for, yes, MPP paying for, yes, flag bearers for, the Omope flag bearer Nuna. They should be cross. They should be campaign. This
the Omo campaign, no
campaign, Kasa papa,
kasa fi,
kasa bi ube
kasa tantan,
kasa bi ube kasa mawuya,
kasa emuda ho,
kasa
ehotie,
si, kasa ube kasa mawuya, na debi kura wunuya no kura tumi wini, ube tuma ba abe campaign mano, kasa bi ube kasa ube wini kura wunuya no, betuma ba abe buawo na wini. Me see. All these 4 people or 5 people so we pick from no. With that one, we can't win election. So they are all matters. They are all they are important personalities. They say election is about numbers. Winning election is about numbers.
Yeah.
So even so one ni ho, a problem. So me when say all these peoples no, omu here party no. So me gidi say yamma your campaign no enti enya clean campaign. At the end no, one person ebe then. Ebe winning. We winning. Yeah, you know, ebe tima.
Ebe tima akabo. Na ma support no.
Ya support. Sana.
But we am sure we nima as a who candidate ba kono.
Ba ko ban.
Dia who nim no.
A candidate ba me too aba definitely mbetu aba ma obi.
Ba say who di ba ko echi.
Me dia that anu duru mbetu aba. One say me feel vote me delegate.
Dan do awu beto aba.
Mbetu ama nipa ba ko.
But unya campaign mo bia.
Me nya campaign ma. National officers we are banned for campaigning for any candidate. Because yana ye role model of the game. Wow. Na we role model no wona obe tian obi. Na wo so akodi bone no. Na be assign na opese institution no. Wona we the last person yana the national officers of the party. Ye party no na ma PSA muntu abama we say umbeka say adan alaji wa abodama
but a very good decision we're taking, you know. But does it trickle down to parliament? Say parliamentarians and also so no any can say omoba out openly ever declare almost stand Emma candidate back one. Does it extend there?
Parliamentarians the one who say parliamentarians the almost assembly untimi wuro almost the way almost too.
But and party no so
and party no
so the party has control over them.
The history of MPP no meaning party no since 1992 no every candidate omo presidential candidate onya MPs are omodi nachi. There's current MPs omodi kenchi. There's current MP omodi branchi. There's current MP omodi Bawumia. Some of the MPs boldly, clearly, publicly come and declare their support for Bawumia. Some should declare their support for Dr. Dutum. You see?
But Sanemano,
So Zanemano as a party no min kase aye ana enye.
No, but where from you sit as a person, given the opportunity, Obama Kwema MPs, you know, I declare positions around.
Me nim party no the way me whom party no na party no cause and me say Akufo-Addo time MPs were declaring support for Akufo-Addo. Kufuor time MPs were declaring their support for Kufuor, and Eba Alan MPs were declaring their support to Alan. Even current way 2024 election, Amewu no ya MP no deputy minister, he was supporting someone publicly. This woman Adwa is Obina Osei. So everybody supporting and Kabibia and Faso me Alaji Masaudu me and why
Alaji uye ubia udimu within the NDC. Men MPP, I beg your pardon. Men can't
pengu.
Men
pengu.
Nyame onyere.
One pengu.
Me da say. Say you are not mean a person within the New Patriotic Party. Uye third national vice chairman. Men tena radio so enkase na me say me ya wine. Who you be within the New Patriotic Party? Say, and the national chairman in Niho, first in Niho, second in Niho. You are in control of the affairs of the party.
It's true.
But I like the fact say you are doing it with the humility that it deserves. That is for the reason why
no.
But still on the unity of the party, say we share the current crop of leadership. Mo amumpenyin fo ne bebre ni komo ayetete bebre say yesi mo mbom hu modern anka be ya anka yento aba ntia mu nyina na enye mu firi ho woni e kasa no den na wo ka kire
me say nkromfo time bi footballer or inside the field no ball no na wo wuti outside no na wa hwe na wo bi na ka se wo be anka wo na wo di si ho say ball no ball no ntimi mbokra enu na binomu ka no. Look, this is a party. Look, people don't know the current executive the qualities here face. But because of the way there was zeal of a big heart to hold this party no and a binomu and him say the current executive say yanyeda papa unim yeba ombe elected as a national officers 2022 2022 no na government no na ekwa wiye yeba as national officers no any appointee ye witness sign no appointee no the appointment aba sign yanim ye ba ye no ye beto all the appointees no oma appointee omo ukọ bebi kura wonimu
as a national officer
obetima kosi wo kura na wasi masa we hwan yes, because you are a new elected officer. Otina was 7 years on Nimu.
But the young one on Mutuaba, okay, so they are delegates representing.
They are delegates representing. You see, no, 7 years Otina in the office, no. On Nim Alaji Masaudu. On Nim Ebi Bute. On Nim way. So, and also, on politics, yeah, as officers, na power ye kuta ye say, party no power nkwa na kuta ye, na government power no na kuta ye.
Na say minim say party bi wo amamu mu a na political party no any aban no they work in tandem bibia omoye bom ko meeting bom say aban no ya ade bi na ade na aban no ye no etia niama bebre Ghana fo ni nje ho a say o say party leadership etimi frɛ aban to check ana mama ko bibia nim sa
bibia wo ho sa now say yeah leadership, this current leadership no yeah kasa o kai say ama your general secretary Justin Fripon Kodia etimi pia bontin catcher appointees you say appointees yes ramo samunim say a position omumamo no ma yesika afunu ye mun fi part no mun say mabre
mun yɛ dɛ mun resign na that position no na yɛmpe nipa foforɔ ɛnyɛ dɛ fix it because obia time no ɔte hɔnom no ɔnom sɛ there's no way wɔmbɛyi no deɛ wɔpɛ biara na ɔbɛyɛ
ɛnti no office na mfumsuo kɛse a ɛyɛ nanado aban ɛyɛ ne sɛ ɛyɛ wɔn a ɛwɔ debrɛ ministers CEOs sampo no obi bibia a yɛnsesa no reshuffle no ɛno no ɛkɔ so bo party ni
wonim me no na me wɔ mentality bi sɛ ɛyɛ nipa na ɛyɛ nipa bɔne ni but ɛnyɛ reshuffle na ɛbɛyɛ nipa ne bɔne ni wonim mami ka kyerɛw sɛ
kyerɛseɛ
yɛba as a national officers no Akufo-Addo wɔ appointed sɛ bɛyɛ CEO for get fund ana cocoa board ana MPA ɛnyɛ Akufo-Addo na ɛbɛsa frɛ wo ka kyerɛ wo sɛ yɛwei ma partyfoɔ as a appointee of the government wonim sɛ nkrɔmfoɔ na yɛ adwuma ɛma party no nyɛ power no you should know how to take care of party people so me hwɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ the reshuffle no mbɛyɛ no na me nim sɛ appointees no Nana Akufo-Addo appointee wɔn no many of them are enemies of the president himself. Many of them, yes, many of them.
Okay, so
many of them are Akufo-Addo enemies.
Until one more Nanado power mo say, omo CEOs,
yes.
Any ministers, no.
Yes.
Na san krofo no, any omo time Nanado.
Omo time Nanado. Let me tell you.
What's your example?
And they will call Minerals Commission. The CEO of Minerals Commission, no, you are picking intel. Say akora we your enemies. Bibia ye bia with the information ma NDC.
I don't think this for I'm maintaining.
Bibia ye di odi ya sama NDC. Even scout I say what my party no entimi winning election no o pajas can know the ma NDC for. Na ye ba be catch Akufo-Addo. Be Akufo-Addo so ebi because of the loyalty wo man no. Na trust Akufo-Addo trusting no na Akufo-Addo himself maybe anya na kore na Akufo-Addo agya no be yetu aba wieye Akufo-Addo nkasa hu ne enemies yetu aba wieye Akufo-Addo nkasa hu ne enemies na wodi tumi ma omo no na omo winchi Akufo-Addo no Akufo-Addo has come to see them so is this wicked people these wicked appointees no they made Akufo-Addo look like Akufo-Addo was not governing well or Akufo-Addo was appointing wrong people. No. What Akufo-Addo did, you know, because over in the sectors, Akufo-Addo appointed ministers, every sector MPP was doing well. Every sector MPP were doing well. Wow. But almost subai towards the party, you know, they have betrayed Akufo-Addo. Betray the party that made them who they are.
And you believe, say, Ora Martin Kweku, AEC?
Yes.
Or betray,
betray. Because it won't happen in any world.
Say, but sir, Abano Sufi say, Ushe Juma wabo over the years, no bar, no maintaining no horse, and no interest or your NDC new. Maybe another Juma power.
No. Politics, you and I know how Guardian politics is. So Adentina we omutu about 7 December no na your mama nka say oh Akufo-Addo in the history of Ghana no we nema bebre even though matu abama me be Akufo-Addo be continue ana ba umi continue na mintina fie no it is ajima wo yema NDC
anti ye betimi aka na say Martin eye Kweku AEC eye dwuma ma NDC
absolutely
Alhaji Masaud
me na me catch wo ya dwuma kase
ama
NDC entina nda NDC
wabrana NDC ewo opposition
ewo opposition he was having link with them
entina NDC ya maintaining
no onye sa
anya ne modern bond
anya ne modern bo aya adwuma wo ye ema omo entina omo ye den omo maintain
it is as we mu hu ya mu kan ya Akufo-Addo was we anti
me say it is the trust to say me say
GDA no
to say about you
yes
to hodom no minimum fitete
me ya
I know you when I was nobody. Not in there, me so minimum your credibility. Not in there, now your back power. No mu catch me say, Alaji, we are national television. I'm compare Obiba, name for Minister of Communication and now Information Man. Now we say, oh, aboki the way me when the fall no we say na me di Uber. Me minimum, me trust too.
Sure.
Ed Uber, no, yeah, not knowing that.
I will be munu.
And be a different person. And you're a different person. This is what the appointees betray Akufo-Addo. But Akufo-Addo nyame be bisa appointees no bako. Akufo-Addo. I'm telling you, Akufo-Addo, God will ask that wicked appointees no 1. Mina would there market to baby. Nsu onto. Obe hunu omu nyina omu adi Akufo-Addo trust omu. Emu institution for 8 years. That party for kasa. Akufo-Addo say no. Not in there. What to me yes say no. Masa, they will not end up well.
Na say nipa ba kopɛ na wabɔ ne din.
Nipa bebre me pese as a national of me pese me bo din bebre. But me more example me Kromfo say me pese me clear
but musumu hu sa na mo ka kire president na president and take action na one leadership of the party na say mo tete
wonim ya ba as a national officers no ya betomu na ya betomu na MPC demonstration of yampe Ken must go Ken must say Ken must say ya ba ya no ya betom but yeah as a national officer so na new bibia faso ya ba betom amomu MPs no nyina aye wo ma dwuni se Akufo-Addo enyi kenoforiata so sometimes kura omu frɛ meet kura yempesa yeko because yeah as a national officers you know we were new elected and as a national officer you can't be new elected and you are coming to fight the president it is imagination
it's unimaginable
you see. So me no, by that time no, na suro we hun kaka.
Na say mu suro. Na confidence in you.
Yeah, no. By that time no, you can't fight the president. So by that time no, as omo teku new person. Until
the man penyin be kana.
Afe na wuni president no benya contact.
Until the man penyin be kana na ma fa na sa.
Afe na wuni president no benya contact. Na ebi wo pe mo bi abebua wo Kromfo na akọ president ho. Na wa ba as a national officer now starting fighting the president. How dare you? Who are you? You see, so this is the way, the difficulties, the current national executive, masa, from the general secretary, from the national chairman and the vices, and the organizers, and then the youth organizers, women organizers, and then the national coordinators, we work hard.
But that's
we work hard. Nobody,
But muye juma dear, but na say. 2 mina ne kramo no
2 mina ne kura
na 2 minu ne na no form
to send there national officers na ndɛ na nyame bua na mutumi maintain na ya work na ya work na MPP aba power appointment bia na eti ho si wo bia ombe mano ye wo ho how dare you a CEO obetuma akasa wo de wa ba be ya agima magana wo ba be agima ma party me Atefa wo no office we
your friend is saying Atefa office okra
Atefa office NIA one
NIA
wo masa owo office no Kromfo ebepe agima omo ya na omo kono ka na omo be ka kire me call no office 2 days ansa na me hu Atefa me kono ho o ka kire me say he don't want the institution
2
to be
2 days. Third national vice chairman.
I tell for one say me na me third vice o. Me catch and say me introduce me who and son or say chairman na me say yes. Na me ka don't say one person wo inflate institution with party boys.
The Atefa kachre.
That's what see one person fuel institution with party boys. That it will be something. It will be something. This
English. MPP.
So let me catch and say na kai say MPP youth no. Omu na ya jima tu aba
party no ba ye wusu nya ye be nkronfo omu ya adwuma under office be break chance omu ya NDC boys o se me ya dan hu se omu ya NDC na me se ben me nim se omu ya NDC kura be MPP4 na ti honom no wo ma omu na de omu ti honom omu so nya MPP4 omu ya hwan
ba alaji na waka asem bi pa ma
so
me de akwa adwendwen mu
so me sir one friend national officer wonim the movement of the party no ni current national officers no be tina ni fie no say officers we there omu nyina nya agima yampam hoin yampam ye wonim agima ye we fight
but unim say mo ankasa mo chita for no ka say your friend is saying parliamentarians cry mo beto ye mo MPs 137 say o ma ba be 80 saying is he 87 manya there and of course with the votes friend is saying margin loss no over 1.7 million even Ashanti region some stronghold of yours when to me when a party in the campaigning and to me anko form ho the senti no mo failure and no be ya no saying
one say election there say election we call election now win election every win has the owner me contribute here, me contribute, but every loss, everybody is disassociating itself with loss. So you lose you know. Obia ni ho obeji say, onu wa pini say, you lose you know, feeling home. The ombeka say, national officers. Yana issue party no, yana penny for. Yaji atum. Said the bia about 2 years ansana, yako election no. But the year from 2017 up to about 2024 no omo diswaye but yeso na eji ya no Ghana for nyina hu say as party no general secretary no awe the CEO of the party na aba abontin apa Ghana for nyina apa party for nyina acho kacho mo say the ACBA ye ya jato but dia na ye see ya no yenjin di say next time yanya opportunity we ebetimasi biom because we hear the dynamic of your party no we hear the dynamic election 2024 your course no masa na sabotage no does too much sabotage no na does too much
sabotage na free
sabotage no na ya all angle because obehun say minister of state when you see was omutina say ya jima instead of omupie we are journalists yakwa election 2024 obetima bo see was 2010 uhunu omu call mu constituency wo mu gina ho mu ye campaign seriously wo mu omupie TV mra na obehun say yes see we say no yeah
na say so mu nyina ada
omoda
omupe omusika
omaja campaign nu emma the candidate awe ba umiano Emma, the national officers of the party. No.
Oh, Sabum.
Me see.
Anti-government appointees, no.
Government appointees, no.
Do not jai election, no.
Miss
Edima, the national executives, and then the candidates.
One say appointees, no. Binomo. Some of the appointees, no. And I make a say, CEOs, there was CEOs saying, many CEOs. How many CEOs? Who know more about it? Womu gina to say the way. Nda ubehun JFK no waha ubehun Nanabi no waha ubehun Ket Jamfua no waha ubehun Aziz Futa no waha ubehun Alhaji Masaudu no waha ubehun Salam Mustafa no waha ubehun Bute no waha ubehun Talata no waha no. See was saying even some see was crowd kokra pemwa kra on few.
Hey,
I'm telling you. On few.
Wow.
So in a mikacha say the dynamic of the arrogancy of some of the appointees contribute huge to the loss of the new patriotic party.
Oh, okay. And you know, you kind of said 1 year a buying a power woman. 1 money year new musuba bi omudan the dichire Ghana for
no. Yes.
And the man MPP.
And the man MPP. One say, uko you look, uko you to mo. O pesa wonu you to kasa.
Yeah.
No mo see. Omukope fire service no omo say omuntua 10,000. Omukope we omo say omuntua 20,000. By that time so also ebi slot wo benya no
national officer no 2 or 3 be. Now mama, how many people as a national officer me gina the whole Ghana to Obama me? Why na obema the slot? Why na obe jai slot? Now some of slot kura omuma kura udi makura and manifesto. It will not manifest. They will not even call the person. Omu nyekra. Me see.
And tell them I'm grassroots no bufu.
Grassroots no bufu.
Now almost ji almost
so me see. Akufo-Addo nyame me catch our Akufo-Addo nyame na party no nyame ebe bisa some of the appointees of the new patriotic of the Akufo-Addo Bawumia government.
Wow.
I'm telling you, the party no nyame na Akufo-Addo nyame na party for nyame no ebe bisa some of the appointees no. Yaja omuma nyame.
Sade na mse ahamo pa executive.
Masa me see.
Eno tina mama nya dimbo.
Ahaya papa. Obetima ko si wo ho me mpesa me bodi. Me ne panyini wo wo oye national officer wo. Ye ko si wo bi. Na si wo no sa si wo no kura wa ye national officer da. Me do nyame Yatina Homa Nyimbre he didn't attend to us.
So
your friend was fat.
Hey,
your friend was me since me a national officer. My friend see you no more than 10 times. One call beyond her fire. As a minute no meet or function, baby. No, so why hear me miss call on to me for sorry. No, or more excuse. No call. This is the kind of characters. This is the wicked characters. This is the ridiculous characters, cruelest characters of appointees the MPP made.
So apart from say, Akufo-Addo government appointees, and said that I'm Juma, I'm mounting the almost my party, woman yama support also Modima, a national executive committee, neck, woman farmer, now woman casa pocket you or musike or kutukum, would tell her, wokase, and Okahubi Pana Mudi and Chuno. Apart from that factor, no factor ben a bill na ewo ho a e ma mo se di njo.
No, say we being the party there who call election. There's many factors. Antina ye committee no. Ye committee no adan diagnose bebia no the bar bonten.
Sure.
So me say this time around, you are learning your lesson. You are learning your lesson from the past election. So this time around, yentina ensang kai. A waste of time.
A waste of time. Forward ever.
So sign the winning power 2028.
I don't know more drink.
This is idea.
So like the one you gave us, the friend is saying. Akufo-Addo, the ministers, the CEOs, the conduct, one more my young winning elections, the more year, it's part of the Michael Okwes report. I guess it is.
No, muka baby some arrogance of the winning
arrogance of power.
So the steps, not some of the appointees, it's the same thing now. The NDC appointees, babies of something.
Remember NDC, I'm not going proper. And then one here show one here do me because many Allah you lie. But that is the Allah.
So this time,
yes,
your focus, your priority as a national officers, as the MPP party, how to win the 2028 election.
I don't know a strategy.
It's a strategy. How to unite ourselves.
Now, a bit more kind of because me say strategy pa. Now, from where I sit, me who say even within the current leadership of the party, as in Tawantawa will be a bimuntem. How are you able to resolve that? I know say Council of Elders. I was say more patchy apple because one patchy apple. I like Abraham.
Yeah, this time around. Obia or catch out say party no want Tawatawa Obua. This time around.
General Secretary.
Party no as a national officers no. We are Jima institution back home, even not politics crowd. We are Jima institution back home. Then crowd some 1 or 2 but as a united front, party no this time around no. The catcher will say. There's Tawatobia no wouldn't They had the crowd to say the National Council of Elders, Omuye meeting. They have some selected even sometimes they select national officers, na invite them to their meeting. Sometimes the National Council of Elders or to be invited the whole national executives.
Wow.
Na yesu ka omu meeting. Sometimes we say me national chairman, general secretary organize kwa. Sometimes to be say win. Sometimes you obetimo I invite you as national the 10 national officers na nyina na eti no mu meeting no and I catch you say so who abontin unim say look the MPP is more united than the NDC now but say ebi kasanta otoka kakra wo mde untimi here no
I know the evidence those little ones will be there
say movement of the party no na unity of the party no ohwe Nana bi ne general secretary omu ko bebia ono omu no ko. Me say mini general secretary ye very good. We say ebi na say na sambi wura mini ntem. Eno so mini aketwa. Ye ka ya party for frame say oh sa asam mi kakura na kwen say anka mi ko radio ekakasa. Na ma hoya na me yedan. Na this is how we manage party. Wow, this is how we manage party. Me gina honom na nanu omuchi aburinye me minority leader nana bi we were there ya witness the ICA nyina so party no me catch out said the party as at now say be compare party by na shaky the MPP is more united and standard more than the NDC I can tell you for sure.
Say as a former president Kufuor money ni relationship as a enhyedan koyesa as a party ni ya de bi kra mo mona mane
anya na onim nkromfo wa ho MPP party wa ho MPP party omuntimi e o
amuntimi mo
ma me catch out MPP party satro no propaganda no you can bring it to us politicians look let me tell you say MPP who be who say obia graduate up to national officer we are very smart and intelligent you cannot manipulate his mind. Very intelligent. If look, MPP party, it is an institutional party. And need to say when I founder, when a party no. You know, the party is belong to all members. Mamin Kacha say, yeah, before MPP do be call him say we are national officer no. Oma home be bi utrimo. Yamfa obia tra unko no ko lead party no. Look, people sometimes want to forcibly create confusion in the party by our leaders. Look, almost 30 be create Kufuor function here, Akufo-Addo function here, Akufo-Addo bae o silent. Baby, but and to the extent what people think. Look, Kufuor, there is nothing. There is no single meetings or no single program or no single idea yebe your party no Abraham Kobona manie. Say your kokra only ho your dear Kufuor kasa direct here in the absence of Kufuor no na kokobone pakro amanie. As national officer womu elect here ba ye pe every 2 months 1 month bia ye konfie ama ye ni tenase no cancelier akasa na
etumufu
etuyafu ekachire maya party no abakosam anasa na omuka abakosam wow me kachira so the relationship between Akufo-Addo Bawumia Kufuor and the party as whole no are very cordial you see but obi to abonte no kasa ill against the unity. But
okay, so the current leadership are more within the New Patriotic Party nationally, national executives, If you say I was here maintaining munyana, but me see ufi say a pejuma mwankasa wujitum se momo.
Say
ufi say I was a party maintaining munyana.
Say obiani ho obe tumi ube manu tumi ana obe manu debre. No catch media me pese me maintain me pese de bre ne free me sa obisa national officers no nyina say wo pese wo onyanka wo maintain ana wo vote a wo beka say maintain but either they maintain us or they vote us out no at that your party no we believe in contest at that delegates abemu omo na be hunu why na be maintain why na be yedan ye maintain.
Okay, so given the opportunity say Reti the NPP leadership for their performance since 2022 Amoba office till now Obama mu current national executives rating saying out of 100%.
Me the difficulties here be face here. The situation me where as national officer timing no ye be wura ho na ajima ye no especially me Alhaji Masaudu ajima me bo ma party no which me rate the national officers no na me ka ho no mbe ma mo 95%.
Ebusafo ye be try ho aba Alhaji Masaudu ewo fie ha. He's my guest today on For God and Country. Ye be ba NDC amamum the fight against Galamsey and any other issues. My man actually na drink Babini na muna Mika will say one year I saw a Seneca Siepa Electroland Ghana Limited, the home of quality electronics. I want to call electronics papa pato say media products, say Samsung products, say TCL products, say TV, air conditioning, fridges, washing machines, kettle, rice cookers, microwave blenders there. Me pato Electroland Ghana Limited. Rebecca was my mouth. So Bomoding now do any hot now koto adia. Kai say womo a discount womo de bema so womo de ma discount na 15% womo cha kwan wo Techiman bia o Kumasi kwan so Kumasi womo Kasi Junction Tech Junction and crying womo dental barrier Dantuman roundabout industrial area bia ne Malcolm Plus ne din hwe anymore Sunyane obehu womo ho mankesim Cape Stack Pride Tamale from 0245 949495 0245 949495 Makache that say Tontina 74 a year duduo ankasa bebi atwemo ye nananom me kai se nkantete me sori anopa na me kosuko na me bodudo edwanwume na me beda so a me bodudo duduo ne ye haban ne nua hene ne anoa na ede gu eye kukom tu bo kakra yade bo ho ba fi yade ho sa nimde we na Tontina 74 for akwakofa wo ma duduro no ewo abefo kwan so ede gu toam me patro yare kwankro bia wo so bia obi ho tenase kakra na ne nase nyina tata oba bi ho bu ni nsa ya eye pain kwa obi so bowa wahra no wo brebo yade basa ekura to nan ho kro no nguda abusia Tontina 74 and Ebeka Wasamama. We do any drugstore pharmacy shop bia. Ebusuya adia on sabe kebi nasa kai say Ghana Food and Drugs Authority for Ajatum. Shannon so we oba wafe fro. Uma kodano fo a wonumbi. We abofra onye ndi mfie 12 years a wosu wonumbi. Open dudu to a bomodina for when chere. Aye Okaishi drug lane. Anasa wo Kumasi a Ashtown Kolinak Herbal from 02460 73498. Again, call them on 050-162-8931. We need a bushel from you. One more asoya seneba. Medika catch out that I say. And the check. I just SOMPA OB Basono. A Basso Life. SOMPA OB Basono. A bushel Basso Life. That Benesha say. A year next week's Friday. 27th of September 2025. SOMPA 106.5 FM. Yedi efide nyina ne programs na be pia bonten e de akodomi market na ho na obehu se de SOMPA for edi woni djuma. Me pacho domi market for domi dwam for woni a wo around no moti yanka nyina no sa da no ye be ma mo kwanya ma mo so makasa wo kasa fidie so mo hawo titri wo amu face ewo memu ewo mumpotem ni nyina no ye bekoso ama mwaka na munkai say ye the first service na be bremo that would be after Ghana Today no so before no oh ye the 6 a.m. news no be bremo Ghana Today no ba free na first service Prophet Dr. Kofi Oduro Atenase na ewia brem no anti ago abuaje mo browa asam so ebeba in the midday crew wo mu nyina beba na free wa na kobla Abotchie Suma Babe Tenase AK Prof for God and country. That just a drum hoa ni edi so giddy because giddy and pacho we enye tokao me pacho we there gromly. That just any denso pa hona ye mama kwan mama kamun sam I hamo Munkai said Dano 27th of September 2025 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. Domi Market is going to be live, loud and full of energy. And the bombarding number share SOMPA 106.5 FM. Nyamia Duma no about that SOMPA TV so say begin now that Facebook will say begin no jegum now je fans so your ba obetimi ashage wo your bema so obetimi ashage wo na chese bibia koye edema te bombarding pa na kai say eye SOMPA obi bass no ebe bass na kai say jumaku aso asene a de brew no eye yards toothpaste and yards toothbrush time herbal mixture bell beverages 21st clinic and a multiple quest one more and I must say asene jumadi ye de brew for God and country and I was go so tea now programming if you really want to become a part of it. I've already told you, so doing business without advertising is just like being in the dark. No one else knows what you do except you. Grab the opportunity now, advertise your product, and you can only do that by calling your request line for lines for reservations and enquiries on 054 75 48538. When the numbers are with me, afraid Nasaka Abu say, me Dima for Herbal Center, Dr. Time, that's so papa with you, but then can me wukra Charlie, Papa way, or you bruta, you can't hear the sapadia. Me Dima for Herbal Center. Say a stroke, alternative, we see ya, alternative, we young Yajumaka Crano, brown antique crano, so. Now, no, as a young Casamada for my hand, Cabras and TV. I do FM. Now, Hobuko have walk do baby. Now, Brandon, so, and I'm saying, hey, Nantuyan, Dr. Time da Sonka, Oko, Koji massage bed, now Brandon, who I told us Abrea, or Namwa, or Bonijuma. We pass Yari Kwan cross, typhoid, malaria, chronic diseases, beer, or Beme be or what 2 to, or baby also, Beme to me 2 man or so on to mention. Nina no say obama obi anyem na oba no so anyem na no so awa fa no ho afa ne ba me patwa wo sa how nina aya bedima for Herbal Center. Dr. Time da so call him on 0244 774282. Again read them on 0500 727215 and cry ha obehu omochi akwan e wo Pokuase Mayira Kumasi omo abakwa gogo bia ne Gabon school ne din hwere mo. Dr. Time da so the Lord is our ultimate healer. Alhaji is my guest. Alhaji Masawood, the 3rd National Vice Chairman of the New Patriotic Party, is my guest today live here on the show. But I am going to be engaging him on the NDC, the performance, for the past 8 months. Now, we're going to be right after this break.
Manufui Electroland Abeja near the Munamuni Amapani in Answabo. Wait, Thursday, 10th April 2025. Raya showroom for front a Kumasi Techiman Kwanaso.
Yedi Roma sorry dino, and that's a backsword Nedia Nimshe.
Roberto Samsung, TCL, Media, NASCO TV, AC, fridge, gas cooker, washing machine, deep freezer, home theater, microwave, blender, kettle, rice cooker, and any more papa kahunina. Now when in baby, Edicam for Baku 50, ebenya 15% discount. Any achedie, it's a rabbit idea. Kahu na senya.
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu ji international awards ahodo wo mu ji local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia ji say 21st clinic in kwa wo mo de bibiduro e na be san o yare no masa de machine aka ho e yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mo ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no e ye sciatica e na stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho
enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran e ba ye wo wonsani fa so wo fra masaman so na e ba nso a wo nsa bonkum so e ho na wo behu ye
0540-311-311 0540-311-311 na say 21st clinic still wo mo ye sciatica expert
tontonte yenum nsane e fa adwen ne e fa adwen ampa say na nim say brebi beba ama tontina 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduro tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe ya dwene esina nanom dodo so say de na dodo bua ma nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebo anipadua no emo immune support enti obi onum bie no abre bia ne ho den tontina 74 yi nso ya ye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa anka free na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 samennom tontina 74 amenya hoodin mennom ne da bia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoden ni apomuden ko a wokọ pharmacy ana ba bia to nro bia ubenya tontina 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a oma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadi nkratoi atom
Abusafo ye koso amama kwa baba SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra Forgotten Country 18 minutes past 4. My guest today Alhaji Masawood the third national vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party. He's such a gentleman. But obviously me bisa question say na dena akutia your friend say Sofa Azuka a provoku a one kind of you know.
So far as what I want to say, NDC for more tactics, baby. Omata me gina hono me omo target. Omata me omo me fie me car me die majima mo say omo nye kwan bi e die de arrest me. Unconstitutional be omo nya. Because omo say since they call opposition, I'm one of the national officers no maintain that fee. Me kasapa. Onim say Azoka bae no. The intention of Azoka no was he was waiting for me. Say me bono. Sanka me bo Azoka to form wo ho. Anka ba now kranka me shedem.
Me pacho. O say on that particular issue.
Yeah.
Say Azoka e she we bufu no one reply no. O say o ye den a.
Onim. Oba sanye once no anya ohunu mi no o di kan hunu ye na ba that na boys nam on ka bibia me grant interview no ba ye no me kura minim say e agro me say agro no ye that time me no na me hun say no o provoke me no na me say Azoka anka obini say onu bekunta kwa na obibi anka obedi kan bow ana the boys no kura anka omun twen kura woni ne ye we anka ombe two goals but plan no mu ye no oba ye o provoke me e kasa ope but that time no pesa anka
uye bibi
me bonu ya anka hwe say enye planting police for 8 na gina ho o yes our police ni bia ni ho betum o catch say onya na wosom no to some stand wo ba wodi ni nsa say point me say won say wodi ni nsa bo me da bi on fa ni nsa mbo me 10 year na
baba ko no bo
ebo me by that time no bu fu na me so mpese me so mo na police for no by that time na anka dia wo ye no
ka o bona
ka me bono to form anka by this time NDC for arrested that have arrested me arrested me anka mbeka say me na me din takwa abaho na abra onim o yes ano dia obehu say your plan work na yes ano me ko report to akotia akotia for frame me say case no papa was he me o catch me clear say the way case no one no ye panyimfo me no no de wa ha ontimi case we
San ho
me donyame wasi wontimi case no
one divisional na say
that akotia police station me dey me hu say the division idea so me one of friend me say o ma transfer case no akọ chebi o mo transfer case no akọ chebi headquarters na member chebi me drive me car from Accra akọ chebi Eastern region me drive me car from Accra akọ chebi o mo bi say me ma sem ama o mo di video no to so obi ahun video no o yeme na police no catch me say yame bua Friday last week Friday wo no say by Monday ombechi azoka omema me police medical report nyina ba 37 military hospital ama san bibia di report no akomo so see am no ka no report no mo
na sa sem na akosi sen
sa sem no mi wo ho the day ye call abrunye we court no Monday no Monday no na chebi panyini no investigator no friend me say they are on their way going to Tamale to arrest Azoka and bring him to Akutia this is chebi media o ka kire me sa no within 1 hour na me hu we news say o ma arrest Azoka so me friend no o fra Azoka anya Azoka me friend investigator no wo chebi no no ka kire me say o mo arrest Azoka o mo na Azoka na fit Tamale ba chebi no this is what the man told me so Azoka so baby a wote no na baby a me ma mete enwa na me catch me mami o say won ko Azoka fie no nko hwe say Azoka wo me mami ko Azoka wo say Azoka na ti ho ekuta nsuo no so me say
are you sure?
I'm telling you, I swear to God, ama me trust me mami ko na me say ebi ya obi na ya ana wo hunu Azoka ye na me ama me bra o mo friend Nash ru ko ho na Nash catch me say alaji wo mo bo Azoka na ti ho no wonim na me frɛ police no me frɛ me ka chan say muncha Azoka afa ni say wo si hu na Azoka ba me ba chebi abe hu say
Azoka
ana no ka chan me say omo ba no panyini no de omo si omo fa no ko Tamale headquarters so omo di no ko Tamale headquarters no omo ko Beli no ho na me say nyana ko na me say case omo transfer case aba chebi na mu chi nipa no wo Tamale I say mun fa no bra chebi ana musa tani Tamale di no ko headquarters ama omo Beli no abra yenim bail condition yenim baby na me say masa
as say sa case no fi say enko
sa case no sa Monday no muka say Tuesday there obe appear court on 16th wahwe
maheba
ndora me fra panyine no say omo fra Azoka say o yare so court no ebi o say ebi beba Thursday
ebi a obetimi aba
Thursday let me say masa modia ya adwini e di aguro
wa ba tell unim say Azoka e onu ade na won fa nche
I won say wo ba no anka me bono anka nde NDC adi eno echibi say ma bono nyame kwa minim de ba me su na me bon me nkromfo kura bo fu say alaji anka pop way to form na me say modia munja sanka me bono to form anka NDC for achimi aka say my bibi but dia oye no nyina no boy bomb me nkanu o didi matem me ye
di say the boy no so apostle for anche
me see o mo plan ye aburu ye e kasa keke wo hwe Black Maria na ebe fa no hwe de Azoka ye wudi ye say mikura ai fa no say mimi ye nyina mi wo ye minua ye nyina ifiribo Tamale wudi ye jai no na minority leader woka say anko ba betu minority leader mbe ba election awon krum masa we nyina mon friend kura interrogate no kura bi ne ho Azoka wotini fie
but is it not common with more politicians mo say mo aban mu amuso ankasa na mo be
so ye wa aban mu obi ahun aya waso west wagon ade na happy ne ya ma ye seti inquiry kura committee of inquiry
Jamefe committee no
yes ama bibia ba life ama dia omu ye guilty nyina omu punish omu
on punish
one punish omu court has As a binum kura. Court has reminded some of the perpetrators. Wow. So when you clearly shows that Azoka no be pay masem say mimbo na omunchi mintum na nyamima mimbo no but me catch and say Azoka wo awunim say sa mi num nsa burkura na wo hia me na me nimi man kwa na mo say wo no me alaji basodo ko wallahi Allah wontimi me njindi say Azoka me bono ba kwa Azoka betima gina form ontimi ebi kura na me bonu kura na papa we awu kura na nka ba na kura na me wasem so media the see no me hunsa nyame na ye bibia eyi me because hwe de oye we nyina police for edada Ghana for ya chinu ye banu kokot ye me ni nyina omo aja no so which means I plan work sanka me kanu anka ba na kura na me kura na me case different wow so uhwe we asi nyina hu no comfort did not tell ama way the way no it come to an end of his political violence. That is the end of Azoka political violence. Minjindi say by election we be kura Azoka betima ba. Mina mi kachao Azoka we bema by election be by election beba. Minjindi say Azoka beba because the way no a time bomb no ye money ho na da ho hwe no. So media me party for na party for be kura enyo mu de sanka me bono
because but who there I'm so sorry nyame kasa kire
so that day no
like you say would have been
bono
aka bono anka wona udem
am ka me bono anka ba now anka me dem so nyame ebe wura ye ne NDC for one.
Okay, but listen to this one from the New Patriotic Party. The New Patriotic Party has announced that it would go ahead with its planned demonstration on Tuesday, September 23rd, 2025, despite the release of its Bono Regional Chairman, Kwame Bafo Abronye, popularly known as Abronye DC. Now, more demonstration, maybe.
Demonstration, party. Say Ombeyano. Abuchi enye aburinye quanti demonstration na yeno. Ye demonstration for the future irrelevance unconstitutionally and then the rumble style of arresting by the NDC no. Ye per se almost stopo. We want to draw the attention of John Dramani Mahama that he has a promises that he promised Ghanaians.
All right.
He should rather go and fulfill his promises that he promised Ghanaians. He shouldn't let the power, the spring power that the so-called spring power that they give him to use it to arrest NDC illegally. No, and no demonstration na pese ye. Ye pese ye demonstration na catch NDC for say Ghana enye omo dia. Ghana ya mo mutumi say omumbambe aras ombe chichimkrofo say nko wa ye bonu wo nye bonu wo no mu chinatum
ba say de abronye ye de na se fata so mu chira
me see misdemeanor one who can misdemeanor. I'm not a lawyer, I'm a agriculturalist.
Sure.
Me agriculturally me professionally agric. Yes, when it comes to the science and the skill of cultivating the soil to produce crops and the rearing of livestock and other farm animals. I'm me agric, me masters in agric business. We have much knowledge in agric. So I teach in me Tachima Senior High.
I know.
Me Tachima Senior High. It's from Stan Kura. This thing. These farmers baby me to me train normal. Me to me I do more training. I could show them how to test soil. Now
what you say? Mo ankasa no mo party no. I say do mundo domo. Mo party mundo domo. Sa mo do domo ho a. Anka de si wo party no mu ne a obi asori a na okasa tia the leadership ranka ma.
Leadership no de o ma ya de o. Leadership we make no. Leadership mia mu ka ho no. or because leadership no nyadi I don't know what the person is talking about. So this demonstration, a demonstration kase na ebe chen kumi preku kura.
Oh sure.
Me catch now ebe chen kumi preku. So a demonstration kase ebe ye chira Ghana for say John Mahama what that down crom for say see you have the power, you have the security apparatus say Oba ebe stop Galamsey. Ghana, my hunu your state, other we are going by LGBTQ, and we are not going by
that. But what
that.
do you make of their fight against Galamsey, NDC?
NDC is very poor.
Why?
Who are the Galamseyers? Is it not the NDC or the Galamseyers?
It's the time now, MP.
Galamsey has become worst in the NDC regime. Look, in the Fourth Republic, it is only the New Patriotic Party president that has. It's all the New Patriotic Party. Let me make this. Let me correct this English. It is only the New Patriotic Party that has produced president for Ghanaians, who said publicly that I have put my presidency on the line.
But of
Galamsey.
But saying.
Yeah, who I wouldn't say our effort in Galamsey. This thing so well because. You know how many people were prosecuted from about Galamsey. Yachin Kromfo up to date in Kromfo were jail just because of wrongdoing. All the NDC for by when him say the time you start here fighting Galamsey no NDC for no we are seriously going around Galamsey areas. Catch what say Omun Kotu Abama John Mahama. Na John Mahama be president. John Mahama ye president. They will allow them to go and mine. Even the president himself said, all those that the MPP apprehend them and jail them because of Galamsey no, or no bar, he will give them amnesty. So almost all the mining sector, no, all the mining sector, akat dekura anka takwakura by that time anka elusu takwa. So all the mining sectors in there will lose vote, we lose our MPs in the mining sector just because of the ridiculous lies, you know, throw kakraka NDC for edishe Galamsey for. So, Osha MPP, yadie, almost a bema ye be onye ninya. Osha yadie, yaba abontia kachira Galamsey for say we are fighting them. But NDC by even one single person, omuchinu about Galamsey says here the drip machine the best today the NDC are using it for Galamsey. Now no mo send the video mama awa kutia uko where drips omo ho tutu amana. This is the Ghana we voted for John Mahama to come
but you don't think said the omo year in terms of the fight omo win a fight against Galamsey?
Why more?
NDC
can never win fight against Galamsey.
Omo the 9 was aba a coordinated effort Sabri soldier for Kahon, police for Kahon, and then some other people Kahon, and of course more blue water guards, and more some other people are more fighting
all those.
And they have told us that out of the forest reserves, you know, they have been able to reclaim 9 of those forest reserves. Mobile no more licenses, or mobile more licenses. You don't think all those things are
all of what they are saying? All of what they are saying, it is a 419. It is not a 419. A 419. Mamin Kacha say unim. Those MPP miners, you know, omo revoking every mining license. So today they are reissuing mining licenses to their own NDC people. And some of them
but President Mahama has said ever since omo ba abayamu no. Omo ma obia license to go and mine in the forest reserve.
Let me tell you,
but say upasa uji license now odi a small scale mining. When you apply through the Minerals Commission, I believe you get your license.
Look, Mamin Kacha said NDC for BB, but yeah, power and Yamima power will hold the NDC and those leaders will hold them responsible. Unim says here, Oma revoke all the mining lands is kuta MPP miners. said we in touch with them. Some of them we acquired the licenses for them. Some of the companies who acquired the licenses for them. So I'm telling you today, no MPP miner. Oye MPP ni otimiye mining, otimiye man omaji. Omo cheche mining na ma omo anu keke no omo dey we. So this time around, they are mining without paying a damn to the government. Oko first. Now,
Oka said they are mining without paying a dime to the government. Say the gold no benyano. Say gold board not to free until they get omunyeska.
So this time, so are you going to promote Galamsey illegal mining so that the miners will mine illegal and bring it to the government to buy?
But what they are saying that
what kind of ridiculous government is this?
Obviously, Brian Minerals Commission. Some person yes small scale mining, regulated mining. You have more licenses. No one can oh yeah, now you gold now the bar. Now you in gold board.
See, currently, it is the NDC government in the history of Ghana today. Galamseyers are mining in water bodies. They are mining in water, and nobody caution them. Today, mining.
Now, evidence to that effect?
If you want videos, could I be provided videos?
NDC official.
I'm telling you, and what did or the Shankra or Yemi Akachre God of War nyina Akachre akotia man for say
Joseph Yami
say they should go out and vote for NDC candidate. Those tax forces that the your mama omuba akotia no, he will call your mama will withdraw all the forces no mining. Almost nobody can stop mining because mining, it is what they think that they can use it to get money and sustain their government. They think to destroy this country to get money, it is not any crime to them. That is why Omusi Mampanyin mihunu here but Matisa Omusi Mampanyin say if you mine and keep the money in Ghana here, is better than foreigners who come and mine and send the money to their own country. So as a president of the land, you sit idle and look at illegal miners to destroy lands, to destroy farms, to destroy water bodies, just to mine illegally for you to buy it cheap way so that you go your way. Is this how we govern this country? So NDC, in terms of government, the NDC, in terms of possibilities, the MPP are possibility government, while the NDC are impossibility government.
But from where you sit, Alaji, say among Ghana for the Dona Boaji, NDC so a chain MPP.
And you're not correct. And there, you know, NDC be no bojusu. Look, within 8 months of New Patriotic Party, by 1 year no, they started implementing free senior high school. They started school feeding. They started initiating one district, one factory. They started planting for food and job. You call goso, I call lunch planting for food and job. Within 1 year, they started yen nema bebrebe. One more, within 1 year today, you cannot mention one sector, one policy that the NDC implement as a senior journalist. You cannot mention. Only thing that the NDC were bragging with, they were saying that dollars has come down. And we told them categorically that this dollar matter, and yamu, it is not your handwork. And ya jima MPP here with God for oil na and manifesti here no mubabe. Beshi, but enchebia umbe say dollar no ebe jame mube say and yamu munsajima. Nde the NDC cannot defend the dollar again. Today, dollar is 14. 14 sooner than yeja dollar. Now, our mudidi atamno. We left dollar 14. Today, dollar is back to 14. Fuel, unprecedented. And then, look at fuel is been increased by 4.something%. Masa, all these things, you know, actually say, they said the early
better
the one before I say it's a market some jumbe there and a panel yes na mo
but NDC for no panel say na mo
na panel and a boni na panel and papa kra one pa 1 year no wontimi account wontimi catch Ghana for say my yamusi na next year no na campaign ya awura no dia na Ghana for dia na mbeye 24-hour economy zero, abobo ya zero, akoko nkiti zero, women's bank zero. Mo se mo ba pa ko swindum banks we banks ya collapse ye mo be reinstate banks no nde kura yanti enu nyina yanti enasem. So what is NDC doing in these 9 months? So in terms of government, but the NDC have already failed.
You agree with me? Says Oko pumps na fuel there ne bo aba from kakra.
Oko pumps. Oko pumps ya fuel no. Says ya me no ka no. Fuel is fuel ko 14 no. Says ya pump fuel ko 14. Google said 2016. Google 2016. 2024. Yes, see, 2024 Google now has a fuel was how much when MPP hand over to NDC. You see, so massa, omun timin ka fuel as him. Grandfather almost say fuel a better on single digit, and then fuel is saying, and the kenke is saying, and then Ura market sign out Udima Uyere, the hardship of NDC, the hardship of Ghanaians, with that COVID, me donya me say, Aboji, sa NDC nda minu kano, manya me fasamba. If a global pandemic hit Ghana today, NDC will collapse Ghana. Sanka nda me catch out say, sanka NDC neba be miti pandemic way, COVID-19 way ya by Russia Ukraine way ya by be miti no. By now, anka nyina yenti be pia bonte. Anka Ghana collapse. I'm telling you.
Say Catholic Bishop Conference and be say anka beya anka man being on declare state of emergency says here.
Na
me bisa say sasam na walk no NPP amon you ko ne omo ya adwen.
Oh, ya ne no ya adwen because adia modidi category 4 PA omoye demonstration upon demonstration obia wo Ghana how timi kasama nkromfo T no oma PA abe demonstration against the new patriotic party because of Galamsey. Not there Galamsey, the way Galamsey is say mai, the way Galamsey is say form, the way Galamsey is say yensu, Galamsey cause on there without just this impunity no cause no. Now it is unacceptable. Nobody is talking about Galamsey again. So, me say, sir, your mama, Anka citizen. He should be citizen, not a spectator. He should be like John Dramani Mama.
John Dramani Mama says you are a spectator.
Or you are a spectator. I'm telling you. Because he's a leader. Almost see Panini wo fie.
1 year citizen.
Yeah, maminka bunu we almost see.
Belemani.
Almost see.
Belemani. So kan bro. Belemani no person. Belemani.
Mika bunu kakra. Almost see. Sa Panini ti fie na nkora wi nanka. Omuka nanka we for. Okahubi. John Dramani Mahama. I'm telling you, he already stated in his coup d'etat right that he can't take decision on his own. So John Mahama cannot take decision on his own. All to us is a spectator on your citizen. If John Mahama is a citizen, he should declare the state of emergency like the way Akufo-Addo put his presidency on the line. And so I put my presidency on the line.
Now Akufo-Addo put in the presidency, a former president, His Excellency. I don't mean to disrespect him, but His Excellency, Nana Akufo-Addo. What in the president? Two on the line, Nyamajigu, or resign.
What Nyamajigu, Yachi, Yachi never bebre, Yachi bebre na abasuka. Oh, something me yiri dem na me yiri dem na me kasa ma we asin.
Aja we yiri dem na wo kasa.
Me yiri dem me yiri kasa. Baby me kasa na we asin na me kasa no. Anya me yiri ana o he say me yiri dem na me gina kasa. Me kasa we asin nyina. Me catch we asin nyina say.
The performance of Nanado
is far better.
In
Galamsey is far better than John Mahama
8 months
fight. John Mahama 8 months fight is a 419 fight.
I have 419.
Well, me see some George. I am one say some George to me issue word a catcher Ghana for say the impunity that is going, the destroying of lands, the water that is going by the Galamseyers, MPP, the current government, opportunity, the power, the security power say yes stop it, but we couldn't stop it. So it won't happen that the NDC had power and this impunity is going on. So today, where is Sam George? Today, where the so-called Jata, the arrogant guy, Kasa, to say, Oya will be
arrogant.
Very arrogant.
How do you know so arrogant?
Nipa, ukura sa umbo brabia yirina show. Yirina na show. We see industrial woman, na industrial woman no show.
Na enu grade say nyeboni.
Na afedi utibiti na ukasa to say obi o school fees. Untu school fees da. Yirkura na show. Na
I don't know who's on school fees.
Na obi o the yirisha no. Obi ada num school fees na ajima ba na obi to school.
Na this one you are
na we timber market. I told you
me kai.
Me yiri mbeto akasa me yiri na hwe me ware me yiri boko. E di na batachima. Me na me hwe me yiri saa. Me sorry me yiri yi ni sikam enye aduane mma me wo yiri ni sika ya aduane kwa me nyesika me tuane ka. Me yiri hwe mo. Me na me hwe me yiri hwe me mba. Na Sam George yiri na hwe ndasa woman na hwe ape si ade wanya power utimi nam kiti no kasa nde be kasa osi wo NDC baby we sharp teeth wey there omo ya me nwa
babies we sharp teeth
this baby we sharp teeth no
omo say Sami Jemfi dey born no modern pa gold board
o pese me condemn Sami Jemfi wa
baby o say Sami Jemfi dey wa uni na wa kumem but we condemn na is because of politics
yeah politics Sami Jemfi kwa onye very careful na NDC na MPP by 2020 na obenya asem
adentia
the way they are managing the go board no
then omo ya
they ni atuso they ni wo go board then omo ya officer aye from so a over 2029 the way omo to gold no it is unconstitutional.
The way omuto gold no.
The way omuto gold no.
Very good. The constitution no.
Me see asem wo ho. To say gold obeto gold one. Sign auto gold no magana for hun say sign auto gold no. Magana for hun say nkromfo omudi gold no ba no. Sa gold no. Kwan by now munye sa gold no mutono hwan ho kwan na karata by now mudi to gold no.
But have you followed the processes? I said
say see anu yen kasa bebre
and Sami Jemfi mo target ana
me see Sami Jemfi yen target obi a obe fa Ghana sika ana obe ye agima bi emfata no our every institution no yaba power yebe check no he will pay for his evil. So this time na Sami Jemfi nko
and you know ekwan NDC for them appointees be enam so say wo ma di o man needs abro no e kwantene so e papa so
na kure me say wo de market NDC ntimi nchi ni MPP appointee nipa ba ko say pep de omo kanu nyina ya nyana kure
third national vice chairman
so mbetiba chi look yana yan panyifo na hwe omo mo fa omo te say omo ye nuafo NDC no me azoka me hun say me mfa NDC no nua bi omo because who friend say we wu nua no oye jata onya wo bewe sana NDC ni tie. Some of the ministers of NDC have double salary. You clear say you be chiwo mo atum.
Some of the
NDC appointees, former appointees, kura some of them who are also appointees. No, muji double pay.
And ne ewa bemu. Muji double pay.
Me say your time no more opposition no. Ya hwe so anyam nipa bebre no muji double pay.
Ana amuya omode.
Anka ye chiwo mu nyina atum. But onim say your papa no nipa
ba mo politicians imu no e na mo
kasa no mo fa kwambia so no ja o mo
alaji politicians mo dada Ghana for you scratch my back I scratch your back
na nyana correct rollers in the cars I was see
that's alaji
but yes alaji I scratch your back and scratch my back no media say ba power no me alaji Masaudu na me national first vice chairman na me hwan na me na me kuta me position na ba power me say NDC ni bia odi dam obeko jail
na sasa ebedu brain na nya na president
but that one say your constitution you change your constitution no say your constitution the national chairman is the leader of the party whether in government or in opposition so by that time no chairman no executive chairman so by that time no any president no na kasa so what the party likes is what the president will accept. Because her party will say, asama si discuss, asama si say enchero. The president beti e bechi ni pakro. Me ka tell say, omu de omu ye nsa wam, omu si nsa wam pa. Na ye de ya badi ya yamfa omu ncha omu.
So omu fa omu ncha.
Na. Omu nim say ye discuss omu nche. Ye Ghana for MPP for munye awi for. They said ya me say moko chi wuntimi kikir ho muhum bibia aburunya dia na aburunya ye
oso mo chi wuntimi no omo ahwohwe
ai na dia na o wuntimi dia na wuntimi ye minister we siwo we hwan
anti na wuntimi enim fum so bia no
say wuntimi me say eye political witch hunting enya bibia na NDC for enter a court demonstration no because up to date obisa o mo say dem body na aburunya ye na mo say misdemeanor and the misdemeanor is the least body obeye na etimitina se kra kana sem na mo transfer na ko circuit court because you know the circuit court don't have not any jurisdiction to grant bail so in this case we send it to circuit court just to bully the guy
but enye sa na munyi na motie alaji
me say MPP utio MPP nyame party o
here alaji wonu
we muna e Bursam party o
sa
na nya Bursam party ube the first born I could di nsi say me here be say me first born hey party we masa party the old person would di party chi na in terms of governance
alaji
na
so one is the first born akudi mami kan
what you know
mami bisa
what you know say I said look at say obetima nipa club metima certified
alaji
usuro bi dey meeting
alaji dey I don't cry dey meeting
obi dey mate
what's ma wo ka I know dey nya dey me mate because meaning say in the next 6 minutes you know you be fire callers amoma kire wo ma dwen mun kan na ma mo be phrase so 0260196064 0260196065 and I'm over free Mode Alaji ebitimi akasa but we be lines into mu in the next 6 minutes we'll activate the lines so you can be a part of the show right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM Alaji na se say there as a yankomo ni nyina edi nkomo ni nyina but se siano ye ma eye MPP akonyan say omra na ombe diga na niwa den bio na monye as a party
Sanyami Bua on the 7 January 2029 7 January 2029 now the new president of the New Patriotic Party has been sworn in the first thing Ghana the first thing yebeye say yahwe so say why na efa Ghana ska abra emfa kwan so
okay to say the NDC for no na ora
yes I think ora dey say scam
ora no ye dey
oh yes scam ora dey scam
ora no ye dey
yes scam ora no what did ora manifested
na say one more omanya cases
ora is a scam
cases
omo di ora unim NDC for war the scam way of omo diska omo ba power ya omo person omo diska na omo di ora ba ora no scam ja ora sem ora there ora has nothing ora no eba emfa bibia mba Ghana for kra omo bu ofu kra omo person omo ti ora sem ye there ye ba power the NDC for ye no nyina will make sure that ye be set committee nye ora yesu ye nimdin ye be ma no me wo gidi say Aburunya kura be part of
Aburunya kura
be part of that committee
mumu committee no mumu oral committee na mumu
committee oral no committee ya be yini ya woni
investigate corruption no
ya be investigate corruption no
Aburunya be kan ho
Aburunya me you sure say obe ye part of the we so we know. Secondly, we make sure that all powers has been given to Ghanaians, not listen. All powers have been given to competent Ghanaians, not some cabal, not some cabal.
And secondly, MPP that's a cabal.
Yeah, MPP we say NDC way cabal no wo.
Oh sir.
Yes. Now secondly, I'm making sure say before nipa bia be nya agima no as a party for so nya agima me was so say your sympathizers will make sure say obia obenya agima no will make sure say and also the way in the NDC for you know we will do worse than what NDC.
Okay, so I like
make sure all our people will get job, all our TASCON coordinators and then TASCON district omu certificate benya agima your party for benya agima contact BIB say my party for the way na treaty party for no yeah sir.
Okay, I like it. My main fact call is hello, good evening.
Obani Tazie.
But when I'm in the case.
Obani Musafel so me what to say.
Oh, but you fact me na me patch so what to say.
Na me the one na from there. Aka woni chairman buga ani o man pani dia on be aboa me. No ya wa woni ameta.
Me patch o say den.
Buga ani o man pani dia on be aboa me.
Asa o kasa no form do draw na.
Network no. Papa. It's manageable kakra. Why?
All right, my young son comrade you na as a line mo and shed under ho. Mami Fakolawe. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Acho dini be your kasa free.
Media de bia se me kasa free in Sawampa.
Hello, me Pacho se me kan.
Abajo me ton kapa. Na so se me kan.
Pacho yeah ba o e be sa be lines na tumbio na. I don't know. We'll have to do a recheck of our lines and see that perhaps things are going through very well. And Pacho Jenna here, Mami say what is actually happening to the lines. If Pacho number of phrases so 0260196064 0260196065. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. All right, me Pacho, try say we'll deal with our technical challenges over here so we can have a great conversation over here. Hello, good evening. Me Pacho, dini baby akasa free.
Sorry, Benny, ko bukuru ade here.
Sorry, ba me Pacho akasa free.
We can say Dominico Benya, baby, I'm a chairman ya programming.
All right, yeah, that's it. Me Pacho ATOI.
If you can remember what Paso, a voice already, no, come on, and I want to know how big time throw when him and to remember what Paso. Namasa Konya will watch here, incoming national chairman, Yura Boache Jackson, incoming MPP flag bearer, Dr. Brown, a champion. Like I said, chairman, you say, Kasane Yados. MPP form pen for Katane Yado, so constituency our Tisono. Now MPP Akuma. Because of mafia, any buga, when period, ma, Omwa, exactly, actually, Mufia, yeah, Abon, anything the 30 to free and San, Omma Peripere, and quite a buyer, but to especially presence in the year 2 penny year, not do be Nibiano, as you go, because Minoka says your penny. Otu any reviewma, you kusu mobo, baby sounds are there, and your man penny Mahama, your president. I didn't that. What that there, Kiafo? A group baby not done a bad time for Yamu Gem or Monsoon, gay SL or Moncala, or your phone wine, or your phony president Mama, and now buy ye gear some Untuminka. And so ya some Galamtia say, I can't want the Macanca, President on Ma will be our lances, fine, Yajitum. but the man be the NDC 2 minutes.
Yo, maybe I told you see for my father next caller. Why?
Because the meeting from no kakra make and say NPP le betu your money NDC the never to chairman not one. Almost sister, then azokadi ne sabe wo wani na hwe no na abeko heaven. Only that wo wani na think I won't be because almost here to see a check.
Do sabre no go any bia. Ono na be abe target. Now no akwa dem na wo ti abonte me that's. Hello, good evening.
PROF Abotchie.
Yes, sir. Me pacho why na me ne ka say.
Your family Obed. Because North Connection.
Obed North Connection pacho ETOI.
Yeah. PROF Abotchie. Alaji I sembe no town keka no.
Ada den as alaji aka anya ode.
Na say MPP mama be yemu die. Ina mo twanya ina mako. Ina the NDC aba. Wa be try na wo kasa say NDC. MPP move by and within the year. Yeah, except for that 7 years. Most of more. If you add this in 9 months, do 9 months, and NDC aba. Now what are we about that? About you know go on your finance some of the cano. Because I say na Ghana and yawo. In Ghana and yawo. Mudu ga think that amuti. Musa bi ke kezu aka. So musani. Esa aka rezu zama ore rezu woni maganu de kama mumu ya.
No, what mangana alaji ayi.
Magana de ke yuri na ba right bani.
Na san kama ke kazama NDC ni.
Ni butama magana de ke na ya wani. Mu ba Jones bani.
To na godi. Ma kwa me da se so ba ma me fa kola we. Hello, good evening. Dini baby o free. Isaac Kaswa mpacho na hot saying.
Na mo so.
Yes, we are here pa Isaac wadama mpacho eti o.
Ai ya tema. Ni kama mama da kan really na shari na mi. NPP yo bi ana mo ko position. O mo an kasa. No mo ko position. Because some of my campaign, you believe more of my campaign, it's your president, you know, all my. You believe I was thinking, you know, me monitor. You know, I tell you, I'm a press, now me can I am for president, you are go. 24, no more sabotage. It be a fool become. Our movement is almost sabotage. Na move the unity a sani elite unity when you say to obey president when you say to obey you will be to obey president of Ghana is here for thing let me come say me say equal $200 million that we give the president and we are crawling me
that say for that conversation now. So conversation na me alaji baby so answer sorry. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, me ba so me ho ya wana me ne ka say.
So, the only time me ameka. Aka woni o man peni dia mo da ya bo ame. Ni ya ni na fi ka me pre asa. Le ta so ti ka so. We are former MPP and the baby man. And I won't have.
Oh, me who did that? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Thank you. Wow. You got me chairman too. Now, Mr. Madi today, and I want to go up again. Here, Shaman. You need to what?
Amen.
NPP for among capacity and the dome competition. Up to now, Chamabuka, I'm wrong. What? Somebody, and yes, I'm going to you.
Now, even Grammy Mount, where my own bunny in Tia.
Oh, baby, you say, I am a black committee. I am a papa, let's say.
Sure.
Understand it, no Muslims, that's a new offer, that's all. Just study. Kasa ya no mi try them before mo kan. Emi nyai, omo kasa. And then don't go for me say mo wo mo wa. You tell me that na mo wo na. E say so wo no no wa fo omo kan say and the plus you sika yen sanka ye. Aburu na sika yen sanka ye. Go on to mo kra ba wa mo go 200. Na yen ko be go na fa. Yen ku ye. E ka be ka mo ti wo mo bless. E tu right. And then me no ka say
see for mommy.
I think that you that get the sense of the wood neighbor come out. Yo, excellent in the man, mama. I think they can use no put to no take it. I just saw one. I just saw one. Salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Wa alaikum salam. Wa alaikum salam. I'm Ifa Kolawe. Hello, good evening.
Hello, Chama Dalali.
Yeah, me pacho one of the kasi.
SOMPA Chairman, evangelist what is written.
Oh, evangelist, what is written is written. Yeah, ma kwa baba for God and country. I don't know, me pacho. Now so.
I said me have a person bisa kakra.
Pacho bisa me.
Chama, so me tie mu nusa. MPP Fabelesi. But me am kwa mo ma no e am kan ho asem. Ade o ma ka no de am for me de.
Oh, baby, o se utie ye news ah. Ba o mi ankwa na ye kan ho asem.
Minia anapen news so, news so.
Okay, me pacho, news editors no. Eno de amenti nyabotre. Wa hu say obi o ho no make news ah. Na ya fasa news no, na ya kan ho asem. Say other candidates no make news ah. So make news ah, ye be kan ho asem.
Okay.
Me da say.
Na change several times.
Me da say. Anu ye na me di ama no. Enti no catch eye we chitai ni say won kasa pruni minimum. O pruni minimum no friend ah, ye ba be fa news.
Party no. Isi amate say Honorable Jacob so be chairman. Omfama no ma before internet. Na only founding members are. Omunim party no near funu ne funu be be say. And before ni papa nachi na omumfa chairmanship no fama no don board ni nyina wo nyina ma di pen o ma di pen nyina mo bia ma party ni mfa mo bia o stu friend say leadership of party ni mo bia to ba mo fie don for new leaders
me da say I say o time na aso but ma me fa kwala we. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
If I talk one a minute ka say
Mbacho Aziz de me kasa fi do me
Aziz e kasa fi do me pa so eti o.
Yeah, that's in Edge, my pioneer. But my name is TDC boss. Yakupo Enshra Papa no pa or Yejumapa and Anoya Zuma. Mbacho, Chama Buga, maybe Sana 2012. May Kaiser Dentina MPP for two Abama Papa with so umbrano, also about the stop Chama Asoka. Sana, the campaign no. So about the stop Chama Asoka. NPP for say, Onepa. One day when this, Papa will buy the stop no, that all buy no, the main stop no. Mamma come out so. Where Mr. MPP for Musiman, my year, money you. Muna, ye to a banimamwa, but my moment I had the aquanet. The patrol, former vice president, and then also the president, you know, but our Pagana for actual, say I'm farm born in here, and chairman. But you was idea, you know, Mudi, young mono, Mujo, money, young mono, no more Tom, and I'm on my no. Who see, when I met my your money in here, Pacho, again, they met your money. Can make the Chama Buga, not them. Video of Biarana, not them who can descend to call the Kunto, watch out the one who's out Kunto, who's run the one.
May I say, Chaban Bugabe, you are no man. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, plot.
Yes, I'm about to one. I'm in the Cassie.
Wow, this is a coffee phobia because every cantabanto.
Coffee phobia, Catabantum, Patrioti. Why?
More Yedika, Mamentia, Namentia, Ajibuga, Alajime Adapa, was the now Canadian, Yamishra, one our Canopreno, and this is for the Chomo. Omo memuna omubuna enkoyi njoze o karu riba de takuti tesili abla bizora katako ina wina falasi for chomo mamentia Dr. Brane Champon mamentia Safia Muhammad ena kankam bodu ena justikodi afempon ana alaji bugam gasretiano alaji mese arone mai ulmai azoka. What the prof last me kasa te we ready. And I just say what na me kasa. Me oza me kasa se ka many alaji bugabga ka azoka. I mean put the globe and reform. The prof alaji bugabga azoka o ulmaya o betla for tipiao. I would go say ko abrato gran who say ya. Unya abotrepa ne zabotende me miss abotrepa. Nti hono nyame ntira. Na wodi NDC for the me say so omoba and Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and Brother Jumpo and the Chaplain Bako Mestre woman yanke umna policy for Obian to me material for Dr. Mahmoud Baumianko if Brother Jumpo yet me for a Canadian Paul and Co. Delegate none here. You baby, you never support.
All right.
For a memo, not your some. I'm a memo to Canada, a grand memo. And then,
I can't fool you. Midase, pass by. I'm in the call away. Hello, good evening.
What was your truck? Yanni truck out of the Dabba. I want to do what they give. Don't come to market.
You go in.
But Empire Christian, every man organizer. Wafa, you can come with the national chairman. Wafa, the jump or not, the NPC will go to a bar and a bar. And to know what you call Momu, the jump, then you would you play on one echo. The person I like it, Buga or studio. I like it. I will try one of. Oh, but tell for Papa, Manco Lumen, when you push you. No, that's when you have a carry. I like it, show Papa, on 2 minutes. I'm going to I would have now. Yes, I would have the Indian went to come at the gift for Papa. You push it with you now, Gobona. If I can't walk upon, as only a push you. And you say, and I got that sorry, I said. American
some commodity and send the end.
Papa, President Master, I want position. Of and took a so. I could find it. Oh, so.
Mirase, pass over. Let's talk to this caller. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. All right, when to me, Engineer Humano, so your friend be Ewaha. Hello, good evening. Me pacho udini baby akasa free. Me pacho te benka.
Yeah, me ton kapa. Me kasa free sawom me friend the biasem.
Okay, the biasem in sawom me pacho eti why?
Yeah. Aha, me kasa buka honorable say me pacho ayembia anticipation of death na aye abego no what I said there.
As a man, okay, no, Bisabio.
Anticipation of death is worse than the death itself. The person who trail on about system nothing. Now, Kata Waka do the day, that's the all kind manifesto over the time. Yeah, to Ghana, high in the apostle. Yamin Bimu or Mukase, you Bimu in Central for Rada. And I don't think Central need the other cohering.
That was a man, okay. And some trouble, yeah, Central for Young Heavy.
Who go heavy? Now,
who baby, who go heavy?
I tell you, about maybe somebody in Chantro.
Too much as a Juma be your harm, me Chantro.
Oh, Chantro, about all 4 almost.
Before almost.
Nothing Apollo Bonaparte can say. You have to say, almost say we are saying, you, but almost how we are saying. That's what Napoleon Bonaparte said.
Pacho.
The super catcher myself, or he been the women say, you could be 2 grand. Ghana, and I'm the quiet young catcher, make concentrate for them. They know what say, Yan say. Young fa, Abuso, and could be so be able to be able to. Young from Boom would be a near.
Oh, that's some of you. So Ghana, a Christian mind, any Islamic mind.
Oh, what are you, Christian mind? They are young and episode for who didn't cut them.
Maybe that's it. Maybe I do quarter of I had chance I won for mine. Why? If I talk about the caller, we Casa. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
If I told Dini baby, I can free.
I want to say any kind.
Me who ye pa?
Yo, me tiene some catastrophic antamanto.
Antamanto.
Yo, money at my power, ya boy, my Ghana. Young people shall no more Yansani drink.
Amen.
I'm in charge of Tablet Champon. Only to Frank people, I may have the power friend this in 70. I'm a mutant and who are afraid the establishment. South African former or more about the 2 galamsey, Abu and DC, I'm a moon, no, be South Africa, I'm not saying. Or no, couldn't come my second and you know, who are the 2 galamsey. And the Abu and DC party, you home. You, I like to go another as well.
Ah,
you, I like to go. Why are the papa near Danu DC and Winya Wabotre? And I know Casa Casabi. Papa. So we say, I'm on your phone fat, more northless, lady, and your man, Pata. In January, I hope another no year. I'll bring up another no year. And Kibianca also be a dear Pata. A year, Papa. Me, Papa, will should be below Cassibi. Or say, should be many of Bacosiachi, you do to the abonting. Many of Bacosiachi. You do to abonting. It is hard now. We are many so papa. And no one send me an interview. Says, what I can't say. I can't know what the among your phone, the more loveless, me and me, maybe a fata. And no Gianna Cowper said, be a come down. What's a now cano?
But let's see if we can pick some last 2 calls. Hello, good evening, Pacho Winnie.
Yellow crop.
Oh, yellow crop, what is saying?
Yamia dum yenina yahuyaha.
Good.
You look over for you now at your papa.
Make you also. Why?
You. Abuchimi Dasi. Wamama Kwanya, the Mamicha, the incoming flag bearer. Honorable Kennedy, a compare upon Hinia Japan. Namincha, the incoming national chairman. Honorable Boachi Ejakon. Papa Nibi, Yan is over a chairman. And you and in the idea of Anqua. Now, Chairman, Mr. Chairman, third vice chairman, Channel. Or can send the Ubisan and say, a Juma Muye as a current executive, national executive. So, or because of very rich Muhua, or very rich Muhun, I think 95%.
Yes.
Chairman, I look the Oboa. And young one, I'm moving my routine who a party for and a very routine. Wow, name say a party at Juma. Yeah, you were from police station executive, electoral coordinators. A Juma do na a general so. Wow, because of one vote, you know, everybody. Now, so you're bad, you know. Mujaye, one fire, yeah, Kasa, yeah, bro, party for more party for more, one feeling, and you not come, and then they have a top position. And then 95 now, the mamma who need it. Even 70 mamma, party for them, 70 Brian mamma. Now, about to get the young Japan say, but when you buy or the state of emergency, ever so. And then, on Mampini Mahama, Wadana, fair, and Drew Bedia, the state of emergency, ever to Galamfation. Not just a summer who can't today and penny for a soft penny for no. Now, wow, you say, the Unia to me, Nadia obey, now so Ukaye. Now, open to me every gun for send your bear gun for the 2 Abamount, and Udi and Ukai campaign. Send me back. Say na me ubaye na Ghana for is point say ubaye di owakano na so ene what is our no omo peni mahama Ghana for ya do we out
ya better was say mo amufre no ya da mo say endi che ya be sorry but Evans wa ha but menim say chamambuga say unim Evans you be a also Okasama NDC. But in the enam se uba yentino 101 tino yanshada amana anye active. But oye ni papa. Antino ohuni no wafana damfo no ma exchange numbers. But me husa nsa also me ma won kasa. Nsa ma wa kan nyina no wo de unkebi. Because we in the position there be in the position no. Me oye
national vice chairman.
Me per se. me omiti so
until no dey ye kre ya ko anesa ya be sorry so but nti ye be ko no say assemble na wo beka.
Okay, the medical I responded to 2 callers be on say me car we say your rate me car rate uka current executives and yen national executives police station executives every lateral area coordinators every constituency executives regional executives national executive directors deputy directors deputy national officers nyina yen nyina na ye agima educo election no so uka say executive fail which means from police station no up to national no yen nyina na fail
mo nyina mo fail
until I make say uhwe agima ye from police station no up to national no so say obina ebe ma rate say ka say mi amu ma me hu rate there wana ukasa ma rate no di fair rate man ho no obia no obey sa secondly azoka asem no on say me life me wo ho obia nim say me Alhaji Masaudu me nya hunfo me suro 1111 ni me ho me omo me boko me firi boko ba Tachima from Tachima me ba Accra obia ni me lifestyle me since me sorry ye obia ni ho me ne no ntakwa otimi defeat me ntakwa ana say obi me ne no defeat me sorry ye no me yanko and defeat me da but every situation what the way we be delay in that situation akotia no hwe mu krasa mu humi akotia no kra on say me bema ko akotia no omudi hu na kra ma bebre mbema bebre ejole say omumba akotia o say me to be sora akotia me nko na me na akotia no bratam de yepe boys no nyina na boys no mba ni na me drive nko na enam akotia ma wura bibia me nsuro time de azoka ba ye no ogina honum no mbetima bo azoka ama sa 3 of them kura akabum kura me no mbetima fight
obeti
but
baro ko na mrante ni wechi
mrante ndi machi mrante no na by that time no mu nyamba ye no mu ko omu hotel no mu nyamba ye so me ba no kura me mind ni ho say ntakwa bi betima asi because anapanyina echine no na akotia cool no bia nim say ntakwa betima ba so azoka hun say minkwa na megina honom no antina wo ba be yesa ade a wo ye no eno so omo plan ye omo ye na anka me bono anka binim kura be kasa ada no bo wo ba eno won kawo wo kasa esa wusu di na tan na ba wo bono no binim kura anka wo meble na me but de me ye no awo akotia no e kire say azoka ohun say MPP it is not that I say you are meant for fighting kwa Alhaji Masaudu there
fighting
na
mobile ba na ntisa but Alhaji before I ko na bre na be sorry so answer won say na wo ka bibi say na oni koye grant interview bi or radio station bi mi amini apato ma omo de to so say wo say national executives no obako high first class hotel e di ama man is animal no see AI and omo de
there be anya we dey ka we me say asem on say o ka asem na journalist adi asem no me nka bebia anya AI kura me nka bebia say ya koko high first class hotel
and you won't can be biasa but tape na wa bontina ye tete no na nyawa
na tape no wa bon minka wo hwe tape no nyina up to end ohun say maka say omo high hotel first class hotel mama omo boa sa nyina ye say wo enemies obeye na omo channel assembly edi kasem awa asem mika wo ho but say mika say omo high first class hotel amamba enya na kure minka sa da ohwe tape no nyina abowie ba chelo njomo say obi wo wa sa tape won bo bebi a me Alhaji Masaudu mika say omo high first class hotel Emma Mba.
So now before we end up with you, it's on record say the New Patriotic Party, Sisi Amino Mukasa, is united more than ever. But national executive, you are united. Who do call regional executives are unity or grassroots, unity or munim penyin foni nyina say mwaka bom mo asiesie fie campaign e koso bibia kama or how be any ho.
Sisi Amino Wokano. But my assure you say MPP 80% of unity no. To 90% in our MPP. The HMB say, yeah, flag bearership election. We.
I think flag bearership race. Why never winning?
Flag bearership. No, the idea will be winning.
Between first two candidates.
First two candidates, you know, they will be winning. You know, be free. Your delegates more.
Be free with delegates. But from where you sit, you know, you can say among the 5, you know, maybe 3 of the list on BP.
Media on say Cremofo. Yeah, Yanji. Gabe, but your friend be Gabe on to say unknown thing.
Yes.
Now we predict it. Yeah, Yaminkwan, a bit much ready or be winning. Omofo no cry, why no unim say, why no bet to mark a 5 and 5. Omo 5 no 100 bet to my bo, no buse, make crowd, me do that down. Wow, ye come for Sana, me, Gina Honum no. Mintimin kasa.
Ebi musa Dr. Baumud Baumia. Ebi musa Ken. Ebi musa Brian.
Messi. Obia obetuma predict say we be win no wa jinya.
Musa dankwa